everyone, this is Muldream official European branch and support center. Welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Yepre Tint. It is Kbeauty product all the way from Korea, while it's tropical applied to the lips. Today we are going to try it out on the back of your hand. Yepre Tint brings a natural, flattering hue to the lips, effortlessly enhancing your charm. As you apply it to the back of your hands, you will immediately notice its smooth texture and the vibrant color. Now, let's explore the gorgeous range of colors. Number 1. Rose Beige. Rose Beige gives a soft and romantic feel and makes you look natural charming. Number 2. Latte Red. Latte Red is warm and classy. It adds a soft shine to your lips. Number 3. Maroon Pink. Maroon Pink is pretty and delicate color. Number 4. Pink Mauve. Pink Mauve is bright and lively. It makes your lips stand out. Number 5. Splash Red. Splash Red is confidence and stylish. It's a fancy color. Number 6. Light On Coral. Light On Coral is fresh and cheerful. It's a bright and goes well with some skin tones. Otherwise, do you know the meaning of Yepre? Yeah, it's you, who is free. Yepre is motif from Korean words pretty, and you're free to waste. Thank you for watching. See you soon.